Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. Be sure you share, like, and subscribe. Really helps me out when you hit that subscribe button. Today I wanted to talk to you about the Canon EOS Webcam Utility. This allows you to use your Canon EOS camera, whether you have the new R or RP, or there's a bunch of other models out there. If you have an EOS M50, a couple of the power shots, and then a list of the DSLRs, including 80D, 90D, the 5D Mark IV. So if you have any of those cameras, you can actually download this software from Canon's website, and just by using the USB cable that comes with the camera, you can actually turn your camera into a webcam. So if you're doing Zoom calls or Skype sessions or Teams on Microsoft, you can utilize your camera as a webcam and get really high quality video, and it's really awesome. So what you want to do is go out to Canon's website, go to the support section. Under the support section, you'll see an area that says Self-Help Center Home. When you go in there, you'll find a thing for the EOS Webcam Utility. Once you go into the EOS Webcam Utility, you'll see the list of cameras down at the bottom that's available for. Just click on the model that you have. It'll actually take you to the page of that camera where you can normally download all your firmware. When you go into it, you'll see under the drivers and downloads, you'll find the thing that says EOS Webcam Utility. And all you have to do is select that, download the file, run the application, and you won't see anything show up on your desktop. You really won't see anything on your computer itself when it's finished. It'll just be there. And then all you need to do is plug in your camera. If you have an R RP and you're using the USB-C, you can plug right in to your laptop from that cable, and then you just go into either Zoom or Facebook Live or YouTube or whatever you're using, and to go in to select your camera to set up, whatever camera you're going to use, and you should see an option for EOS Webcam Utility. Once you pick that, you'll then be using your Canon, quality camera as your webcam. I actually tested it out and used it for an interview that I did. I'll leave a link to that interview. It was a really great time doing that in the description here. And also, the quality was just amazing. I was really blown away with it, the simplicity of it. You don't need any extra cables or connectors. All you have to do is just use the supplied USB cable that came with the camera, plug in. As long as you have that software, works really, really great. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please again, like this video, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.